Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flanked mace. We need a cube, snap to grid. Let's put a cube down. We're going to make the blades of the head of the mace. And I don't like sharp corners on maces, because if you hang it off your belt or put it in your luggage, it's just gonna hurt you or your luggage. So let's round the corner. You can do it with beveling, but I'll show you how you can do it with slicing. And you want to keep largest body, and slicing works. You click, you hold position, and you let loose, and you click and hold position. Click, position, let loose. So you just imagine rounding the corner. Of course, you can do this as many times as you want. Looks good, a little rough rounded corner. We're gonna rotate and position it. So we want to make a cut like this, but we don't want to use slicing. We want to do it precisely. So move it over a little bit more like that, and we're going to use a helper object to cut off the part that we don't want. So let's use a cube, and like that. And you want to make snap to grid, so we cut exactly along the Z-axis. Select that, control click the cube and subtract. Let's place it on the grid and then mirror it along the blue one, the Z. And that one is already selected. Control click the other one and merge. Now click this spacebar, creates a copy, and you rotate it around the blue one again, 60. And click it, spacebar, and rotate. Now we have the head of the mace, a little bit rough here. Let's pretty it up. First, let's select them all, shift, select everything, and merge them. And move it. And let's put a little sphere at the end here. Move it and put it in position. Control click the rest and give it a metal color and merge it. Let's scale down a little bit so we can we have room for the handle and the stem. So, like that. Let's create a stem. Move it, rotate it. Position it, and then you sort of eyeball how a little bit too big. Eyeball the relation between the head and the stem. So we can use the yellow one too. That looks good. Click spacebar, creates a copy. This is for the handle. Let's make a little decoration to a band to band these together, tie them together. We use a sphere. Position it, but before we do, let's flatten it so it looks more like a band, like that. Now we want to grow the stem, and the way you do that is you go to polygon, you click the end and you move it. That allows you to grow. That looks about good. Go back to objects, spacebar. Go to the handle. And then grow it just like you did with the stem. A little bit more. And objects, grab that one, spacebar for a copy, and put at the end. And you can see the flattened sphere looks good at the end. Let's color it a little bit more. Handle. Stem. There you go, a medieval flanged mace. Thanks for watching. You can watch more tutorials at figuro.io.